Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into LinkedIn and going straight to Settings and Privacy. Once there, choose Sign In and Security so you're in the right section. This is faster than searching menus. Make sure you already have an alternate email or phone verified. You can't remove your primary contact otherwise. If you don't, add and verify one now. Once added, pause and confirm verification so the account keeps a reachable recovery option before proceeding to unlink the target email. Now, under email addresses, find the email you want to unlink and add a new primary if needed. Change the primary email to the alternate you verified. LinkedIn requires a primary before removal. Verify that new primary by clicking the link or entering the code sent to that address. Once verification shows complete, select Remove next to the old email. Confirm the removal prompt so LinkedIn dissociates that address from your profile. This prevents login and notifications tied to the removed email. Complete the process by signing out and signing back and using your new primary email to ensure the old one is gone. If the old address still appears, make sure verification emails didn't land in spam and rerun the verification, then attempt removal again. If LinkedIn blocks removal, re-add the email and repeat the steps, because transient errors sometimes clear on retry. Finally, if you can't remove the address after several attempts, contact LinkedIn support with a clear description and the emails involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.